Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Beginner English Zone. Today, we will enjoy a beautiful picture. It is a rainy day scene. Let's learn English through this lovely image. The sky is dark and cloudy. Rain is falling fast. The streets are wet and shiny. People are walking with colorful umbrellas. Everyone looks calm and happy. Two small children are playing in the rain. They are wearing bright raincoats. One child is in red, the other in yellow. They jump into puddles and laugh loudly. Water splashes everywhere. Their mother is standing nearby. She is holding a red umbrella. She watches her children with a smile. She is enjoying the moment. A man walks carefully with a blue umbrella. He slips a little on the wet road, but he laughs and keeps walking. The rain is strong but not scary. A cute dog is running around. It is wearing a small green raincoat. The dog is barking and playing. It shakes off the water from its body. In one house, a family watches from the window. The father is holding a baby. The baby points outside happily. The mother stands next to them, smiling. Slowly, the rain becomes light. Birds start flying again. A rainbow appears in the sky. Everyone looks up and smiles. The rainy day feels peaceful and happy. It brings people together. The streets shine. The world looks clean and fresh. Now let's learn 20 simple sentences from this story. 1. It is a rainy day. 2. The sky is full of clouds. 3. The children are playing in puddles. 4. The road is wet. A woman is holding an umbrella. 6. The dog is barking. 7. The kids are smiling. 8. A man slips on the road. 9. The rain is falling fast. 10. The baby is pointing outside. 11. Birds are flying again. 12. A rainbow is in the sky. 13. The dog is wearing a raincoat. 14. People are enjoying the rain. 15. Leaves are floating on water. 16. The rain is soft now. 17. The window is closed. 18. Everyone is smiling. 19. The children are happy. 20. The world looks fresh. Let's learn 5 new words. Puddle, a small water spot on the road. The kids are jumping in the puddles. Umbrella, we use it to stay dry. She holds a red umbrella. Slip, when someone almost falls. The man slipped on the wet road. Rainbow. Colors in the sky after rain. Everyone looked at the rainbow. Raincoat, a jacket for rain. The dog wore a green raincoat. Now it's your turn. What do you do on a rainy day? Do you drink tea, play, or just relax? Tell me in the comments. Let's learn together. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Beginner English Zone. See you again with another picture story. Keep learning English every day.